Here's how to create this amazing swipe transition for free using just your phone. Using a tripod, get a shot of your computer monitor with a green photo, then swap out the green photo with a real one. Act like you're swiping through, and on the third swipe, rotate the camera with your hand. Now get a few shots of you rotating your camera and following your hand. You'll also need an extra scenic photo. Import your clips into CapCut. Select the green screen clip, tap overlay to drop it down a layer, tap cutout and choose chroma key, bump the intensity to remove the green screen, adjust the shadows to fill in blanks, tap adjust and choose HSL, choose green and bring the saturation down. Select the main clip, tap copy, then tap overlay to drop it down, long press to slide it over. On this layer you're going to add a mask, choose split and raise it above where your hand movement is. Import your photo and adjust the position and length. Go to the point where your hand starts the first swipe, add a keyframe, then go back in the timeline a few frames. Pull the photo's position off to the side. This will create your sliding animation. Do the same thing for the next swipe, but in the opposite direction. Select your first clip, tap overlay and slide it behind the green screen layer. Using the keyframes, animate the position to slide off screen just like we did in the first photo. To get it in the right position, hiding behind the green screen, you may have to adjust the layer number. Trim off the back ends of the other two clips before the third swipe happens. Now line up all your rotating shots next to each other and trim off the beginning and the end to make them feel like they have a smooth transition from one to the other. Go to the beginning of the timeline, tap text and type out your chosen words. Go to the animation tab and choose the typewriter effect. Adjust the position and scale to place it in the middle of the screen. Extend the length, then go to the point where the first swipe is happening. Set a keyframe. Move forward a bit in the timeline. Drag the text layer off screen, and that's it. It should look something like this.